In today's video, I'm going to teach you Kling AI promo code updated 2026. If you want to save money on Kling AI or get extra value from your subscription, this walkthrough will show you the offers currently available and how to apply them correctly during sign up or checkout. First, head over to the official Kling AI website, which is described as a next generation AI creative studio. This is where you can review the available plans, create an account if needed, and manage your subscription options. Make sure you're on the correct platform before entering any promotional offer, especially if you're comparing deals from different sources. At the moment, one of the main offers mentioned is a referral code that can give you a 50% bonus on credits. In practical terms, that means you may receive extra credits on top of the subscription tier you choose, with the bonus going as high as 5,000 additional credits depending on the plan. This can be especially useful if you expect to use Kling AI frequently and want more value without upgrading further than necessary. There are also annual plan discounts that may range from 10 to 20% off. These offers can apply to annual subscriptions and, in some cases, API plans as well. Since these types of discounts can change seasonally, it's a good idea to check the pricing page carefully and compare what's currently being advertised before you complete payment. In addition to that, some third-party SaaS deal platforms may occasionally feature direct promo offers for Kling AI. These discounts are often limited-time flash deals, so availability can change quickly. If you decide to explore those, always verify that the offer is still active and that the final discount appears clearly before you place your order. Once you're ready to apply a code, log into your Kling AI account. After that, go to the subscription plans page. This is where you'll usually see the available pricing options and any checkout related fields. Next, look for the promo or referral code field. It may be labeled something like enter code now, and it's often positioned on the right hand side of the interface. Take a moment to find the correct field so the offer is applied properly. Then, enter your promo or referral code and continue through the checkout process. Before confirming payment, double check that the discount or bonus credits are being reflected correctly. That final review step can help you avoid missing out on the offer. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to apply a Kling AI promo or referral code and maximize the value of your subscription.